In this video we will be talking about how to change the key of a song. I will explain some ways to help you change a song key in just one step. The process of changing a key for another can be really easy if you know exactly what to do. And if you use this resource in the correct way, you can transform your good song into a legendary one. In the last week video, we talked about how to change a melody from major to minor. Today, we will talk about how to change a melody from major to major and from minor to minor, so from a major key to another major key. By the end of this video, we will discuss about chords that are involved in these changes. Changing melody from one major key to another will take just one step. I just need to move my melody from the original tone to the destination tone. In this example, my melody is in C major and I want to move it to G major. So I need to count how many half steps I have from C to G and move every note from the melody the same distance. The hard part is to know how many half steps you need to move every note. If you're using a music production app, you should have a screen where you can see the half steps and you just need to count. But if you're doing this in the old way, I have prepared a table for you to help you count the steps. I will leave the table link in the video description. Let's check the table. From C to G, I have 7 half steps because I'm counting up. I will move all my notes up 7 half steps. When we move the melody, the structure for the major scale remains, so I don't need to do anything else. We will do the same with the minor melody. I have moved my melody from A minor to E minor. Again, I will use the table to count the half steps. The minor structure remains, so I just need to move the notes, no need to do anything else. So now that your melody has changed, you need to be aware that you also have to change the chords. In the video cheat sheet, Roman numerals and chord progressions, I talked about how the chord degree remains even when you change the key of the song. And I show you 2 tables that you could use for chords. I will add the link to these tables on the description below. Once you have changed your melody from major to major, you can check the table for majors and change the chords for your new melody. You can do the same for the minor melody. Just use the table for minors. Hope this info has been useful. Closing this series of videos, next week we will be talking about different types of modulation strategies. Some options you have when you want to change key in the middle of a song. We will take pop music examples and discuss some ideas for your next composition. Bye!
What key do you think the hammering is?
Maybe F?
For you?
Or I will move